Are you planning to sell your home, but fear that you won't be able to sell it quickly and get the right price for it? If so, let us tell you a few reasons why you should turn to Rudy Kusuma for help. 1. Rudy's team has a database of over 25,000 buyers looking for a home in the area. The buyer you are looking for might already be waiting for you in our database. 2. On average, we sell homes for 3.1% more compared to our competition. On a $500,000 home, that's an extra $15,000 in your pocket. 3. We sell clients' homes in 29 days on average, 3 times faster than an average area agent. 4. Our team sells over 20 times more homes than your average agent. This allows us to invest much more in marketing your property, helping you reach buyers nationally and internationally. 5. With us, your home is more likely to sell. 97% of the homes we list sell by the end of the listing term, compared to the 71% industry average. 6. We pride ourselves in what local homeowners have to say about us, so we invite you to browse our Zillow reviews. Zillow.com/profile/RudyLK. 7. We will sell your home for just 1%, and we guarantee to sell or buy it from you ourselves. Rudy and seller must agree on price and time of possession. To discuss the sale of your home, call Rudy at 626-789-0159 and start packing.